Welcome back. 60 days of web dev challenge. Let's talk about mobile first design. A smart approach to web development that begins with small screen or and scale up. It's just like cooking for one person first, then scaling it up for a party. Mobile first means you design the simplest version for your website. First, made for phones, then enhance it step by step. Size grows, focus on growing and clarity. Imagine making one meal first. If more people come, you scale up. Similarly, mobile first ensure clean, efficient design perfect for today's mobile users. It boosts speeds and cuts the clutter. Here's how it works. Start with base styles for mobile screen, then use media queries to add style for tablets and desktop. This approach builds upward, keeping your site fast, clear and user focused.